Hello, Gemini. This is Starbright, here to do a reading today for May the 27th, 2020. This is not going to resonate with all Geminis, so don't get mad if it's not your story. For May the 27th, 2020. What messages do you have for a Gemini? What messages do you have for Gemini? I am using a psychic oracle deck. What messages do you have for Gemini? The Sun, the Moon, the Rising, and Venus. A lot of you guys are playing this waiting game. You have been waiting. You've been waiting to make a decision about something. Been waiting on a partnership. You've been waiting to have positive movement and forward. You guys have been waiting and trying to make a decision to move forward on something. You want positive movement. You want to move forward. This is someone you emotionally withdrawn from. This is someone that you grew bored with. It's a sense of boredom. You got bored with this person. This is someone you took a break. You took a break from this person. And the weird thing is about it, you got two aces and you got two fours. This is someone that you want a reunion with, that you grew bored with. And you guys took a break from this person. You guys emotionally withdrawn from this person. And you disconnect from this person. A lot of you guys are suffering in silence. People don't know that you're suffering. You need to choose the right direction. It's very important for you to choose the right direction. You're moving on. Someone that you see as your Six of Cups. This is someone you could have known since past life. This is someone that this like your past life relationship. You're moving on from this person. The roles can be reversed, or this person moving on from you. This is someone that you need to open up your crown chakra. You got all your crown chakras blocked. You got the crown, you got the third eye, you got the throat, you got the heart. All of this is blocked. A lot of you guys gonna have like some material gain. You're gonna have material harvest. So you guys gonna have some good luck coming in. You got your heart closed off. How can you expect somebody for you to love someone and your heart is closed off? This is ability for you to love. It's closed off. How can you love someone if it's closed? And your third eye is blocked. A lot of you guys need to focus on seeing the bigger picture. So you guys need to meditate, do some yoga, listen to some videos on YouTube about opening up your chakras. You feel like this person was deceiving you, You feel like it was some kind of deception going on from someone that you walked away from someone that you got bored with. You wanted success with this person, but there was envy, deception going on. You wanted victory. The throat chakra, the ability to you guys are not expressing how you feel. How can you get in a relationship if you don't express how you feel about somebody? That's blocked. Ability to communicate. Ability for like self-expression. You guys got that blocked. This is someone that you want to balance things with, but you got everything blocked. But you want to balance things with this person. Some of you guys need to fix yourself first before you even trying to start a new beginning. You got to open up your heart. You got to see the bigger picture. You got to express yourself. You guys are experiencing an emotional loss. You're experiencing a conflict. There's some conflict that you're experiencing. And you guys want to take action. Want to take action. A lot of you guys going to receive some recognition and rewards. Maybe some of you guys going to get a promotion. You want to take action on getting this promotion or getting a reward. A lot of you guys are going through a mental conflict with a soulmate. And you're going to mental conflict with a decision that needs to be made. And you're all in your head about this decision that you need to make. About a soulmate. Someone that you was being hopeful about. You're trying to be hopeful in the situation. You want to pour all your emotions out to this person. It's like a never-ending cycle. It's like it's this conflict. It's like over and over and over again. It's a never-ending cycle with this person. And a lot of you guys need to learn how to accept others, accept new experiences. A lot of you guys are like is in a hermit mode. You need that solitude. You guys are in solitude. You want to be alone. You want to think things clearly. After you think things clearly, that's when the new beginning begins. After you go into this hermit mode, that long time, is when the new beginning is going to begin. Let's get to overall energy. Overall energy. A lot of you guys want passion. You want to feel that passion. You want that spark. A lot of you guys can use your intuition when you're starting this new beginning. You can use your intuition. Another card flipped over. From someone of authority. That you want to have a passionate beginning with someone in authority, but you're going to use your intuition about this person. You think this person is toxic? Or you thinking about sexual, something about sex with this person, having sex with this person? You think this person is tempting you by sex? Bottom of the deck, you got sacrifices. You don't like how things are with this person. I see conflict. Like you guys are going through some kind of transformation. The person that you want this new beginning is, the person live at a distance. If you like my readings, give me a thumbs up. And thank you guys for following my channel.